Here's how to change your Apple account primary email address. Now let's first head into the settings, scroll down and tap on screen time. Keep in mind, I'm gonna walk you through this step first because a lot of times screen time will prevent you from changing that email address if it is turned on or that content restriction is turned on. So from here to check, let's tap on content and privacy restrictions. If this is turned on and there's a screen time passcode associated with it, you just need to turn it off and enter in that passcode. Now we'll be able to change that email address for your account. So let's just hit the back arrows, go up, tap on your name at the very top. This will show you your Apple account, and a lot of times right under your name will be the primary email address associated with your account. Now keep in mind, this could be an iCloud account or an email or a Gmail or anything like that. Let's change it by tapping on sign in and security. And then if you have any email addresses under here, you can just tap on it and you can see primary email. I can just toggle that on and hit make primary. However, let's say in this case, you don't already have that other email address added to your account. It's pretty easy to do that as well. Let's just go back, tap on add email or phone number, and then add email address. Now, all you need to do is enter in that email address here. Keep in mind, after you've done that, it will just text you or email you rather a code that you'll just enter in to verify that you have access to it. After you've done that, all you need to do is hit the back arrow here. You're gonna tap on that new email, toggle on primary email, and then if you wanted to, you can go to the old email and just hit remove from account, or rather this one, you can hit remove from account, and essentially you've updated it and removed that old email address if you no longer want it.